Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial provided by Blueswift Axles. My name is Carson and today we are going to be discussing how to identify a Lippert axle's specs using the axle tag that's found on the back of the axle. Let's get right into it. So we have this axle pulled out from underneath the trailer, and on the back of the axle, 9 times out of 10, you're going to be able to find a sticker that'll look something like this. And it'll have a series of letters and numbers that are going to help in identifying the axle specs. Now, we can go through this. So LCI 80H is going to mean that LCI stands for Lippert, and 80 means that it has an 8,000 pound capacity. Then we have DBSA. The D is going to stand for drop spindle, so it is a drop axle. And the SA stands for self-adjusting, so it's going to have self-adjusting electric brakes on it. 94 is the hub face. 77 is the spring center. No SP stands for no shock plate, so it's a standard leaf spring. US stands for underslung. L stands for easy lube, so it's going to have the easy lube grease zerks in the spindles themselves. 865 is the bolt pattern, so it's going to be 8 bolt on 6.5. 5/8 is the stud size, so they're 5/8 studs. And the 643611 is the leaf spring itself, and that is the part number for a 5-leaf 4,000 pound slipper spring. And if we zoom out and take a look at the axle itself, we can see that indeed it is a drop axle. It's got 5-leaf slipper springs that go underneath of the axle. And if we look at the hub, it is an 8-bolt hub with 5/8 studs. So there you have it, an easy way to identify your axle so that you can provide us with the correct specs we need in order to build you a replacement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.